Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question 58. Find the derivatives of y is equal to 3x minus 1 in brackets raised to the power of minus 2 with respect to x. A minus 6 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. B minus 6 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 2. C minus 4 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. D minus 4 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 2. And E 6 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. So we have to find the derivatives of y is equal to 3x minus 1 in brackets raised to the power of minus 2 with respect to x. Now this is a what? This is a composite function. Let's divide our page. This y is equal to 3x minus 1 for minus 2 is a composite function. So we are asked to differentiate this composite function. And for us to differentiate this composite function, we have to use what we call the chain rule. We use the chain rule. And this chain rule says that the y dx is equal to the y all over du multiplied by du all over dx. Now, we have y is equals to 3x minus 1 in brackets power minus 2. Let's u now equal to 3x minus 1. Let u equals 3x minus 1. So we can now say y is equals to what? U raised to the power of minus 2. Now, the y du is equal to 2u raised to the power of minus 3. You remember when you have y is equal to x raised to the power of n, the y dx is equals to nx raised to the power of n minus 1. So that's what we did here. So minus 2 now. The y du is equals to minus 2. You see it's n u raised to the power of what? Minus 2 minus 1, and that will give us what? That give us minus 3. So the y du is equals to minus 2 u raised to the power of minus 3. Now the y du dx now. Du dx is equal to, now remember we had that u is equals to 3x raised to the power minus 1. 3x minus 1 is u. So du dx now, that is differentiating u in respect to x, will give us what? Will give us, now here we have 3x. So 3x now here simply means that what? It simply means 3x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. That is 1 times 3x raised to the power of 1 minus 1. Now we have minus 1 here. Because minus 1 here is a constant, it's no variable, it's equals to 0. So minus 0. So this will be equals to 3. Because x raised to the power of 1 minus 1 will give us what? X raised to the power of 0, and x raised to the power of 0. And 3 times x raised to the power of 0 is equals to what? Is equals to 3. Because anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So du dx is equals to 3. Now, like I said, using chain rule, and chain rule says the y dx. Remember they say we should differentiate y in respect to x. So therefore, the y dx now. The y dx is equal to the y du multiplied by what? Du dx. And this is equal to, now the y du is what? The y du is equals to minus 2 u raised to the power of minus 3. That is minus 2 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. Remember u is equals to 3x minus 1. Then times du dx now, and du dx is equals to what? Is equals to 3. So times 3, and this is equal to minus 2 times 3 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3, and minus 2 times 3 will give us what? Minus 6 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. And this is the answer to this question. Minus 6 into 3x minus 1, and that is option A. Minus 6 into 3x minus 1 raised to the power of minus 3. Option A is the answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.